Hi, Sandi Maki here with a little bit of heavy breathing just before midnight. I did something just now that I haven't done in a really long time. I said thank you to someone who's a part of my life that I don't connect with much anymore, talk to much anymore, but really does have a significant impact. I know that I've thought about this person many times since not being a part of their day-to-day life. Sometimes it's positive and sometimes it hasn't been so positive. I really do appreciate their place in my life because if they hadn't been a part of it at integral moments, then I wouldn't be the person that I am and my life wouldn't quite be the way that it is. So I know that I've grown and changed in a lot of ways since having first met this person and having them become a part of my life. And I've looked back at myself and the person that I was many times. And I've reflected on the growth that I've had and the understandings that I've come to about things that have happened. And I have a really strong appreciation, not only for the good things, but also for the bad things and the learning lessons and all those pieces along the way. And I've often thought to myself, wow, I wish for others in my life, and for this person in particular, I wish that they could know what I know. And I wish that they could look back on our shared experiences with the same type of appreciation that I'm feeling right now, because it feels really, really good. So I would think this to myself, and I would go about my day, and I wouldn't do anything about it, because I liked my happy place the way that it was. And today that changed. Today I was thinking, and I did something. I wrote a note. And how the note is received, I have no idea. I kept it short, I kept it sweet, and I expressed appreciation for this person being in my life, having been in my life, and because of the profound changes that came about because of it. So my question is, knowing this today and the way that I felt and the way that I was able to reach out and share with someone that I appreciate them being in my life and having been in my life, that I probably normally wouldn't have done that or appreciated that. How often do we really acknowledge the mirrors in our lives that maybe show us the parts of life that we don't want to see and the ones that we do? How often do we appreciate them simply being there? Without all the experiences that I've had, and without all of the experiences that you've had, we would have a different outlook on life. We would have different thoughts and feelings. We would approach situations differently than we do. So each thing, each person, each situation has a place and a reason for being in our life. And I think the more that we can look at this and see it for what it is, an experience that helped shape the us that we are today and the us that we were yesterday, the better off that we can all be. I encourage you, if you'd like to, and if you're willing, to look around at your life and acknowledge the people that are in it and the people that have moved out of it, that have helped you be the you that you are today. I know it's hard, depending on how close you are to a situation or an emotional feeling about something. I know the harder it is. And there's no need to rush it. Maybe just sit back with an appreciation that one day, someday, you'll think about this differently than you are today, or you'll appreciate it in a new way.